In this video, we'll be converting from seconds to hours. Now the question says, you left your timer on while you slept. Well, you woke up and it said 36,219.3 seconds when you stopped it. How many hours is that? Well, we need to convert from seconds to hours, which you can use one number, but let's use some things that we know instead. So we know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. And then 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Now using these two, we can figure out how many hours are in that many seconds. So let's create some fractions that are going to help us. So we know that in 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. And then we know that in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. Now using these two fractions, we can go from seconds to minutes. So we have our 36,219.3 seconds. Next, we're going to use our fraction that gets us from seconds to minutes. So for every 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. And then we're going to use our other fraction that gets us from minutes to hours. So in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. Now we can go ahead and solve this question. Alright, so we need to multiply all of our numerators together, and then we need to multiply all of our denominators together. So if I take 36,219.3 times 1 times 1, it's still 36,219.3. Now I have to multiply my units as well. So it'll be seconds times minutes times hours. So seconds times minutes times hour. Now on the bottom, I just have 60 times 60, which is 3,600. And then I have my seconds times my minutes. Now, I have seconds and minutes on the top and bottom. So seconds will cancel and minutes will cancel, leaving us only with hours, which is what we wanted to find. Next, we're going to take 36,219.3 and divide that by 3,600. And that is going to equal 10.1 hours. So now we know that 36,219.3 seconds is equal to 10.1 hours.